For today's comparison, I have a Samsung Galaxy A04s versus A043s. Let's begin. They're using the same screen, except for the refresh rate in the A04s. It's a bit faster, 90 Hz refresh rate, so it has a better screen over performance. For performance, there's not much of a difference, slight bit of improvement in the A04s. Now for the camera. So the selfie camera remained the same, just the main lens upgrade from a 13 megapixel to a 15 megapixel. Now for storage. Both storage are the same, except for the Exynos chipset will boost the memory in the A04s. Now for design. The A04s seems to be built a bit better. The features remain the same, just the build quality of the A04s is a bit better. Now for the results. It costs $20 more. That's a good upgrade. While both devices still use the same storage, the win goes to the Samsung Galaxy A04s. It has a better screen, better performance, way better camera, and a better design. Comment below which video you want me to do next. See you in the next video, guys.